Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie once again. Today I'm going to show you all how I achieved this natural protective hairstyle. If you want to know how I was able to do this, please continue watching this video. So this is my hair right now. It's actually moisturized and it's well combed at the moment. This is what it looked like before that whole transformation. So the first thing I'm going to do is to apply water on my hair. I'm just going to spray that using my spray bottle, and then next up I am going to pick up a small comb and then section my hair. And then after that, I am going to make sure that the lines are really neat. Right now, I am going in with my eco styling gel, and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to apply that to make sure that the lines are well partitioned and sectioned. So this is my yarn, and this is also the needle that I'll be using today. This needle is really blunt, just so that I don't end up injuring myself. So it's quite blunt. And then I'm going to partition my hair again. I'm just going to place that into this section like this, and I'm going to apply my eco styling gel again on the part that I already sectioned. Next off, I'm going to comb that area, and then I'm going to pick the yarn and place it inside the needle. So once that is done, place your yarn on the part which you already sectioned and then start threading. So at this point, I'm just going to pass my needle in between my hair like this. Just make sure that the needle is as close to the scalp as possible, and that's why your needle has to be blunt so that you don't end up picking your skin. So make sure it's blunt, and then place your needle as close to the scalp as possible, and then just pull the yarn out. So this is what I am going to do. I'm going to place the needle in between every section like this, in between the hair like this, and then pull it out. So this is what I'm going to do until I reach the middle of my hair, the place where I initially sectioned. I know that I'm using this word a lot, but it's really necessary for this particular video. So I'm going to place the needle and the yarn in between my hair and then pull that out. So make sure that it's as firm as possible, because you want a very firm grip, although not too tight, just so that blood circulates round, because it can be really uncomfortable when this particular yarn is so tight on the head. So make sure that it's not too loose and not too tight as well. So guys, once you get to the middle, you need to make sure that you knot that area so that it doesn't pull out or it doesn't unravel at all. So make sure that you knot it, and also make sure that your yarn is as long as possible. You don't want it too short because you might not be able to get to the end or the part which you initially sectioned. So make sure that your yarn is as long as possible. So I also want to add that just in case you get to the middle of your hair and the yarn is not enough, you can as well go ahead to add another one on the needle and continue threading. That's how it works, guys. So just continue from the point where you stopped and that's it, you're good to go. So make sure that you're holding the hair as firm as possible and then just thread. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead to add my Cantu moisturizing curl activator cream all over the back of my head, and I'm just going to keep working that through in between my hair like this until I'm able to achieve a full coverage. The sole aim for this is actually to let my curls pop, but for this particular video I was in haste because I really had somewhere to go to. My curls did not pop as much as I wanted it to. I couldn't wait for the cream on my hair to dry. I guess that was what happened. Even though immediately I stepped out of the house, after some time everything just started curling up. But I don't have the finished video in this one, so possibly very soon I'll be creating a more detailed video on this particular style. But basically this is what your hair should be. This is how you could actually achieve this. So you can go in to apply your gel or your curl activator if you are from Cantu, any product at all that activates curls, and you are good to go. If I am to do this on my next trial, what I'll easily do is to just blow dry my hair or let it dry and then come back to show you guys the final result. But unfortunately I didn't do that in this particular video because I was in haste to run out of the house because some clients were waiting for me. So I'm just going to style this particular style by applying some paints on it just to beautify the hair a little bit, and then I'm going to also bring out a little bit of my baby hairs so that my face comes out better. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for the love on my last video. It was really amazing to see. Thank you all so much. If you've not turned on your notification button, please do that so that each time I post you get a notification and you be the first to know. I love you guys so much. The hair gel that I'm using for this particular video is from Kaima, and for the other products as well, I'm going to list them in the description box so that you guys can see. Thank you all for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.